Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Froxlor server management on AlmaLinux 9. First of all, update system packages. Next, install Apache, MariaDB, PHP 8.0, and other necessary packages. Then, start and enable Apache and MariaDB. Run the MySQL, MariaDB secure installation script to set a root password, remove anonymous users, disallow remote root login, and remove test databases. Next, log in to MariaDB as root and create a database and user for Froxlor. Create a new user for Froxlor with a strong password. Grant all the privileges to this user with the following command. Then, flush the privileges and exit from MariaDB. Now, we'll download and install Froxlor. First, change the directory. Next, download Froxlor. Extract files. Next, set appropriate permissions for the Froxlor directory. Next, create a new virtual host configuration file for Froxlor. Save the file and exit the editor. Then, restart Apache to apply the changes. Before we can proceed, we need to open up ports 80 and 443 in the firewall. Open port 80. Open port 443. Then, reload the firewall. Now, open your web browser and navigate to the following URL to start the Froxlor installation process. Then, from the system check, when everything is OK, click Start Installation. At this point, you must enter the Froxlor privileged user that you have created. Also, the given database and unprivileged user will be created here. When you are done, click Next. Now, you must create an admin user to access your Froxlor dashboard on AlmaLinux 9 and click Next. Here you need to enter your server details like the server's IP address and hostname. For the distribution, you can choose Debian 12 because it doesn't have AlmaLinux in the list. Now you will see a command. You can wait to automatically finish or do it manually and click Finish Setup. Once the installation is complete, you will be redirected to a login page. Now log in using the created admin user. You will gain access to the following dashboard. Finally, you've successfully installed the Froxlor server management on AlmaLinux.